Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make a DIY scrunchie with a hidden pocket. This scrunchie is as cute as it is functional, great for stashing cash or other small items. Let's get started. Cut fabric to the sizes needed. Lay a piece of the 6.5-inch fabric face up, then lay the zipper face down on top of it. Line the end edges and then pin in place. Do the same at the other end with the other 6.5-inch piece. Sew it together. You want to sew it about 1 inch in. It should be stitched right where the stoppers are on the zipper. Be sure to do a back stitch at the start and finish, as well as going over the zipper section a few times. Now, lay the 18.5-inch fabric face up. Lay the zipper fabric face down on top of it, about halfway unzipped. Line the side edges up all the way across and pin in place. Sew all the way down that pinned side using just a little less than 1/4 seam allowance. Do a back stitch at the start and finish, as well as both ends of the zipper. When you get to where the zipper is, make sure your needle is down, and then lift the foot and slide the zipper past the foot, then put the foot back down. Doing this will be much easier to stitch past. If you are enjoying this project, be sure to like this video and let us know what you are going to keep in your scrunchie pocket. Pin the other side just as before. Sew down the other side just as you did the first side. Visit happiestcamper.com for more free sewing projects. Unzip the zipper and turn the whole thing right side out. Stick the elastic through the end and hold it with your fingers. Feed it through to the other end, making sure not to get it twisted. Pinch the ends together and then twist them into a knot. Slide the knotted end of the elastic through and to the side a little. Then on one end of the fabric, turn it evenly inside itself by about 1/4 inch. Now tuck the other side into that folded side by about 1/4 inch. Enjoying this project? Make sure to subscribe for more. Make sure you have your seams lined up at the top. Sew them together as close to the edge as you can get. Do a back stitch at the start and finish. When you get to the side with the elastic, try to stretch the elastic a little before stitching over it. Trim any threads and you are done. Now you have a cute way to store small items on the go. What a great accessory! This fun hidden pocket scrunchie would make a great gift this holiday season. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all things sewing. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.